Installing an M.2 backplane and M.2 drive. If necessary, connect the M.2 backplane cables to the M.2 backplane. Fasten the screw to secure the signal cable. Slide the M.2 backplane into the air baffle. Fasten the screw that secures the middle of the M.2 backplane to the air baffle. Fasten the screw that secures the end of the M.2 backplane to the air baffle. Reinstall the air baffle in the server. Connect the M.2 backplane cables to the M.2 power connector and the signal connector on the system board assembly. Reinstall the M.2 drive. Install the top cover.